So here AP is given 3, 8, 13, 18, so on up to 78. Which term is 70? We have to find out. Here A, we have A equal 3 and difference, that is second, from the second term you have to subtract the first term. 8 minus 3, difference will get 5, and the last term or nth term, nth term, this is 78. This also it is known as the last term also, L. Nth term or last term, nth term or last term, the same thing here. We have since an equal a plus n minus 1 into b, a nth term or last term we can say, it is equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we have to find out value of n, number of the term we need to find. So an, it is 78, a value is 3 plus n we need to find n minus 1, d is equal to 5. Now 78 minus 3 equal, this is 5 n minus 1. 78 minus 3, 75 equal 5 n minus 1. Both sides it will cancel by 5. Then 15, 5 is 75 n minus 1. So 15 plus 1 equal n, or we can say n equal 15 plus 1, that is 16. Therefore 16 terms of AP is 78. Okay. Then we'll go to the next question. We have to check whether minus 150 will fall the AP or not. AP is given as 11, 8, 5, 2. In this way, if it is continued towards the negative side, whether 150 falls in that AP or not. So how to get it? It's very easy that we have to accept minus 150 is a term, any n term. Then if we get value of n as the real, so the natural number, value of n as a natural number, then we have to accept that minus 150 fall in that AP. Otherwise, we cannot accept it. Why? N should be natural number, because the n means number of terms or position cannot be accepted negative. Like I got the first position, you got negative first position. We cannot accept that. Or I am first, he is second, you are 1.5. We cannot say like that. So position cannot be a fraction. Like 1 first and second, first and second, first and second. In between, we have no any position. First and second, in between there is no any position. Similarly, 10 and 11, we cannot get any position. The fractional position 10.5 or 10 half position we cannot get. Position cannot be accepted as fraction. Position cannot be accepted as a negative. Like I am fast. Then you are fast, but negative fast. We cannot accept either. Negative fast. We cannot accept. If first, then the last, but no negative. So position first, second, third, fourth, fifth, but not position minus first, minus second, minus third, we cannot accept. Therefore, any term are taken as first position, second position, third position, so position cannot be accepted as the negative. If we get a negative number, then minus 150 cannot be accepted as the value. Or if we get n value as a fractional value, then also minus 150 is not in that. So we have to find out whether it is natural or not. So let us begin. Let this is question number 5 or 6. Let an minus 150 we have taken. Therefore, AP 8, 11, 8, 5, 2 and up to minus 150. We need to find out value of n here. A 11, D 8 minus 11 second term. From the second term we have to subtract the first term. Then an we have already taken 150. Then n value we need to find. Since an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. An value minus 150, a value is 11 plus n minus 1, d value is minus 3. Minus 3. Minus 150 minus 11 equal minus 3 n minus 1. This is minus 161 equal minus 3 and minus into minus plus 3. Minus 161, this 3 we can bring side, minus 3, minus 3n. Then we'll get here minus 161 minus 3, it is equal minus 164 equal minus 3n. Minus can cancel both sides. So n equal 164 upon 3. Here, this is a fractional value and it cannot be divided. Even if you divide, you will get a mixed fraction. Therefore, n is not applicable. N is not applicable. N is not applicable. N is not applicable. So, minus 150 is not a term of AP 11, 8, 5, 2 minus 150 is not a term of AP 11, 8, 5, 2 this AP, that minus 150 will not fall. We have to find out 11th term of AP. Sorry, 31 term of AP, whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. 11th term and 16th term is given. We need to find out 38, 31 term, 31st term. Given A11 equal 38, A16 73. We have to find A31. First 11 term, that is 38, and in the 16th place is 73. Then we need to find what number for 31st term. So here, first term and the common difference is not there. How we can get 11th term? A11 equal 38. Now, A11 means A plus 10D. Remember, one less than that. How? Why we can write A plus 10D? Because if you see, A11 means A plus 11 minus 1 and minus 1 into D. It is equal A plus 10D. An equal A plus n minus 1 into D. Or in place of n, if we put the 11, then A11 equal 11 minus 1, that is a 10. So instead, we can write 1 less than the number of term. 10. 10 equal A plus 10 equal 38. This is equation 1. And A16 equal 73. So A16 means A plus 15D, which is equal 73. This is equation 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. Now, from equation 2, if we minus the equation 1, elimination method if we apply here, second minus the first, A plus 15D minus first is A plus 10D equal 73 minus 38. You will get here A plus 15d minus a minus 10d equal 13 minus 8. We have 5. 6 minus 3. This is 3. That is 73 minus 38. 35. Minus a plus a we can cancel. Now 15d minus 10d. 15d minus 10d, it is equal 5d. 5d equal 35 and d equal 5 7 35. D value we found. Now we can apply that value either in equation 1 or in equation 2. Up to you. But let me use in equation 1. A plus 10 into 7 equal 38. Putting the value of D in place of D here. A plus 38 minus this 10 into 7, 70 will go other side and change positive to negative. Now 70 minus 38 minus 32. Here we found B as well as A both. Now it is easy for us to get the value of A30 first. Let us find out A30 first. Now A31 equal A plus 30D. A we have minus 32 plus 30 into 7 D value. Minus 32 plus 210 equal 10 minus 2, 8, 20 minus 3, 70. 178. AP consists of 50 terms, which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Third term is given and last term is given. Last term means that 50th term. AP consists 50 terms. Third term is 12 and last term is 106. Here, last term is the same things. That is 50th place, 50th term. We need to find 29th term. Same like the previous question. Third term is given here and the last term is there. We need to find 29th term. Third term A3, 12 and A50, 106. We have to find A29 term. A3 equal A plus, A3 equal 12, A3 means A plus 2D, one less than the number of terms, remember. This is equal 12, equation 1. And A50 equal 106. A15 means A plus 49. B 106. This is equation 2. Here also these two equations we can solve easily by eliminating. Second term, from the second term we have to minus first term, subtracting. A plus 49D minus this value A plus 2D equal 106 minus 12. We'll get here A plus 49D equal A minus into plus minus 2D equal 94. Minus A plus A can cancel. 49D minus 2D, we have 47D equal 94. 47 can cancel both sides. 47 to the 94. D equal 2. Now we got D value. Let us put in equation 1. From equation 1, we get here A plus 2 into 2 equal 12, or A equal 12 minus 4, that is A. We found D as well as A. Then let us find out A29 value. Now A29 equal A plus 28D. A is 8 plus 28 into 2, or 8 plus 28 into 2, 56. 56 plus 8, it is 64.